Hey everyone, and welcome back to CryptoScars. Today we are looking at the GitHub commits 1 year indicator, the total number of code commits made by a project over the past 12 months. This one gives you the volume of actual development work over a full year. So, a commit is a validated change to the code base. Every time a developer adds a feature, fixes a bug, updates documentation, or makes any code change, that's a commit. This metric counts all of them over the past year. It's kind of a volume metric, purely about quantity. A high number tells you the project has been actively developed, with the team consistently pushing changes. A low number, at the contrary, suggests the project is in minimal maintenance mode or development has significantly slowed down. Let's take a look at Chainlink with a technology score of 99 over 100. Pretty good. When we scroll down, we could see the GitHub commit 1 year. 14,619 commits in 1 year. In green, that's an enormous volume of development activity. The team is building, maintaining, iterating and improving the protocol at a significant pace. This kind of activity reflects a well-populated technical roadmap and a team that is deeply involved. At the contrary, let's take a Dogecoin with a technology score of 56 over 100. Not bad, but not good either. When we scroll down, we can see the GitHub commits 1 year only 28. Here, when this number is low or in red, it tells you clearly the opposite. Development activity over the past year has been limited. The team might be small, the project might be in maintenance mode. It could be, like this example, a meme coin project, so no need to change everything every year. It's not an automatic disqualifier, but some protocols are simply stable like that and don't need constant changes, like Dogecoin for the example, but it's something you want to be aware of. And this metric is available as a filter on the dashboard. You can sort and filter over 7,000 plus projects by their 1 year commit count. You just have to click on filter to scroll down to technology and you will see the GitHub 1 year commit over there and instantly see which projects have most active development and which ones are barely touching their code. Click through the score to go to the GitHub page to verify the commit history, see the timeline and understand the reason yourself. GitHub commits 1 year, how much code has actually been written. Check it on cryptoscars.com and we will see you there on the next one.